What's good, everybody? It's Mario, Mid-South Softwash, back again with another video. And today we're doing a wooden fence cleaning to show you guys how we went from that to this. So as you guys can see, the quality of the wood itself is still good, but the fence is being absolutely consumed by organic growth at the moment. This is actually a returning customer. I came out and did some work for this customer before, did a driveway, patio, a couple of different things, and so now we're back today to tackle this fence. So while working on this fence, I decided to do two different methods of cleaning. This is method one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start by wetting down the wood really well. For this method, I don't want the SH to be the first thing to touch the wood. So what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and wet down everything really well before you get started. Okay, so step two, I'm using about a 4 to 5% SH on this particular fence just because of the condition of it. Sometimes if your fence or your deck or whatever you're cleaning is not as bad of shape as this one is, you won't need as high a percentage, but I'm using a 4 or 5%, and then I'm gonna let it dwell for about 8 to 10 minutes before I go to the next step. So next we're gonna go ahead and start wanding down the fence. Typically what you wanna do is you wanna go board by board, non-stop all the way top to bottom. As you see on this video, I'm not doing it absolutely quote unquote correct, only because it was a little dirty and I'm just getting started, so I'm trying to catch my groove, get a good flow in. But you want to go from top to bottom or bottom to top all the way down in one stroke, not stopping mid-board or anything like that. And you want to make sure that you're using the correct tip, and you want to also make sure that the distance that you are from the fence makes sense as well. You don't want to be right on top of it, hitting it with direct pressure. You're definitely going to end up scarring the wood. You're going to dig into it, possibly damage it, or something like that. So as you can see, man, I'm just gonna repeat that same process over and over until I'm done. Now, for me personally, I'm not gonna go ahead and SH the entire length of the fence all the way down. I wanna break this down and go section by section. Some people may say, man, you're working too hard, you're moving too slow, whatever, but to me, the important thing is dwell time. I don't want to sit there and let the SH dwell on the wood for 30, 40 minutes while, because this was a long length of wooden fence. So I don't want to sit there and let, the SH dwell for 30, 40 minutes waiting on me to get to that particular spot. So I'm just going to break it down and just go section by section and just go at a pace that's good for me. Okay, so the second method that we're using today is we're gonna go straight on with the direct one. Go ahead and wand the boards one by one before applying the SH. We're gonna go ahead and direct wand it first, then we're gonna apply the SH second, and then on the third step we'll go back and rinse.
Okay, so
on this last step, this is just something additional. Some people automatically include it. Some people charge extra for it. In this particular case, I did charge the customer a little extra for it, and this is oxalic acid. Okay, so basically this is just gonna stop the bleach from doing this thing, and to me this brings that more natural look back to the wood. As you can see, as you're watching the video, you literally see the color and the tone of the wood changing as I'm spraying down the fence with the oxalic acid. I want to be sure to coat the fence really well from top to bottom, almost until it's like a drip at the bottom of the fence. Then that way I know I basically have enough on there. And I'm gonna go around and go ahead and coat the entire fence this time, because it's not acting or reacting like the SH. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the entire fence in the oxalic acid, and then we'll come back and rinse, and then you will see the final results. So this is just one last quick example. On the right side, no oxalic acid. On the left side, oxalic acid. And like I said, some people are satisfied with the look on the right, but if you want to take it that one additional step, I definitely recommend that oxalic acid. And then we're going to rinse everything down one more time, rinse everything really well, and we're all good to go. Here we have the finished product. Man, I appreciate you guys for tuning in with me, coming along on this wood fence cleaning. Man, this job is probably not for everyone because of the length and just how tedious it is, but I definitely recommend adding it to your services. Thanks again for tuning in, man. Mario, Mid-South Softwash. I'll catch you guys on the next one.